Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Vidlogs, a tool that just arrived at AppSumo and they have already 8 positive reviews. The idea here is to host live and asynchronous team meetings powered by AI. So Vidlogs will host your meetings with an AI transcription feature, custom domain, and the possibility to have asynchronous team meetings to do your daily stand-ups and optimize your remote work. I really like that tool. I think they have an awesome user interface and unique features that can make they stand out in the future. The deal here is really simple to understand. So if you buy more codes, you get more of each feature. They just changed the structure of the deal, so I'm gonna explain to you what they changed. So if you get one code, you get 3 team members, 3 channels, 6 GB, 120 AI transcription minutes per month, and 240 video recording minutes per month. So if you buy more codes, you get more transcription, more cloud video storage, channels, team members, etc. So when they launched it, the AI transcription minutes uh, were like total and not per month. So now you will have transcription minutes forever because this is per month. So it's a lifetime deal. It's a complete lifetime deal. All right. So the limit here is only related to the transcription minutes and recording. So let's go to Vidlogs and then you can understand how the tool works. I want to show you one thing that made my decision to buy a Vidlogs code. First, they are a Bay Area SaaS, so business at the Bay Area in San Francisco, they are really serious, and they have an awesome team. They have awesome resumes. It's a real team, not like one person running a business. So a real team here. So you can take a look afterward to check out the kind of tool they are creating. So I'm logging in, and here you have the workspace. If you buy the deal, you get one workspace and there you will have more channels. Here, when you record, you're gonna see the recorded that you shared on shared recording. So the first thing that you should do is click here to go to your workspace. So the tool is loading. Here's my workspace. Everything's pretty easy to understand. So going here uh, on the right and clicking on account settings, you can change your profile picture. Here you can change your account logo and even change your Vidlog URL and the name of your account. Here on billing is where you're gonna stack your codes and also see here the limits that you have. I bought one code, so here are my limits. With one code you can create channels. What are channels? Channels are this environment over there where you have your logo, your cover, and you can organize your meetings. So let's say you have 3 brands. If you have 3 brands, you can create 3 different channels, one per brand. All right. So here on the right, you can change your logo, change the color, or upload a cover image, change your friend URL tag, and your channel name. You can record the video. If you record the video, you can take that video and share to your audience, to anyone you want. So Vidlogs will generate transcripts and keywords automatically after you record your video. Right now, the transcriptions are only in English, but they already stated that other languages are in the roadmap. for instance, French and Spanish. So clicking here, you can record a video. But let's say I want to create first meeting. Okay, I didn't put my cam here because it's better to explain. So here you can change your camera and your microphone. You can turn your camera off or turn your mic. You can email meeting details to yourself. Here you can schedule your meeting or just start your meeting directly. Let's go starting the meeting. Create a meeting. So really easy, the meeting is created. As you can see here, you're gonna get a link. It's the link of your meeting. You just share the link of your links meeting and people can join. All right, so really simple. People join with a link. I'm gonna show you. So here they will select their camera, the microphone. You can see that my channel logo is over there on the right, on the left. And here they can record video and send to you or start the meeting. As you can see, they don't need to sign in. They just uh, put their names and log in. Okay, they don't need to sign in. They don't need to create a Vidlog account to join the meeting. So it's pretty simple. So as you can see here, my meeting is created. And I'm gonna here click on start. Okay, I wanna show you something here. First, you can create an agenda to your meeting. So here, you can create a meeting description. You can add the meeting to your calendar. You can invite clicking here on that button. So you can invite using email or sharing the meeting link. And here you can create an agenda. So task 1, 10 minutes. Task 2, 15 minutes. So you can create an agenda. So you can, and then you can see how long will be your meeting. Okay, so let's start the meeting. Oh, here's the synchronous, the way to do asynchronously meeting, asynchronously meeting. Difficult to me to pronounce that. So you click here on record instead of join the meeting. So you're gonna have here your recording. So you don't need to have all your team at the same time to a meeting because anyone can just join here and click on recording and sending the video, and the video will appear here as an asynchronously meeting. And here starts. Again, select your camera and audio. I'm gonna click on start meeting and you can see all the environment here. All right. What we have here, close my camera. We have the microphone. You can just leave the call here. You can share your desktop, and here you click to record your meeting. If you click here, you can see your agenda. Okay, your agenda is over there, and you can add things to your agenda anytime here. Clicking here, you can check everyone on your meeting, and you can even click on the button to mute everyone. Your chat. So we have a chat here and the live transcription. So since I'm not recording, they are not transcribing. You're gonna see your transcription here on the right, okay? And here you can change the way of the display. They're displaying the layout. Here on the left, you can check your room name, host, your room ID, and see your link to invite others. Here on settings, you can change some features, enable waiting room yes or no, allow participants share their screen yes or no, mute them. About audio and video, you can change things here. And resolution, here you can change your resolution to automatic or medium resolution or low resolution. Okay, so that's Vidlog I totally recommend that too. I think video meetings as a lifetime deal, they are like a game and they are gonna be available with time. And they are like a huge team at the Bay Area. Don't miss that deal. That deal is awesome. So thank you very much. I see you next time. Bye bye.